used to wake up every morning feeling a heavy weight on my chest, dreading the day ahead. My mind was a constant storm of negative thoughts and worries. It wasn't until a friend shared a few simple words with me that everything started to change. What if you could look at things differently? That single question sparked a shift in my mindset. Instead of focusing on what was wrong, I began to notice what was right. This small change in thinking brought a sense of peace I had never known, and I believe it can do the same for you. Love what you're seeing? Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos.
Change is often a word that stirs up a mix of emotions. We long for it, yet we fear it. We want our lives to improve, but the thought of altering our routine or stepping out of our comfort zone can be intimidating. The truth is, meaningful change starts with a shift in our thoughts. Our minds are powerful tools capable of shaping our reality. By changing our mental state, we can transform our experiences and open ourselves to a world of possibilities. One of the most effective ways to clean our mental state is through the practice of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help us challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When we repeat them often and believe in them, we can start to make positive changes. It might seem too simple to be true, but these words carry a powerful impact. Consider this. If you tell yourself every day that you are worthy, capable, and deserving of love and happiness, over time, you begin to believe it. Your actions and behaviors start to align with these beliefs, and before you know it, your life starts to reflect this new mindset. This isn't about ignoring reality or pretending everything is perfect. It's about acknowledging your power to influence your own life. It's crucial to be mindful of the language we use with ourselves. Words are not just sounds or letters, they are carriers of power. The words we use shape our perceptions and experiences. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't handle this," try saying, "I am finding ways to cope." This simple shift can turn a feeling of defeat into one of resilience. Another key aspect of cleaning your mental state is letting go of the past. We often hold on to past hurts, regrets, and mistakes, which cloud our present. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting what happened or pretending it didn't affect you. It means freeing yourself from its grip. It's about acknowledging what was, learning from it, and then releasing it to move forward. Self-love is another essential ingredient in this process. When we truly love ourselves, we are kinder, more patient, and more forgiving with ourselves. This self-compassion creates a safe space within us where we can grow and change. Start by treating yourself as you would treat a dear friend. Speak kindly to yourself, celebrate your achievements, and forgive your mistakes. It's also important to surround yourself with positivity. This includes the people you spend time with, the content you consume, and the environment you live in. Positive influences can uplift and motivate you, helping you to maintain a clean and healthy mental state. Take note of how different interactions and environments make you feel and make conscious choices that support your well-being. And practicing gratitude can significantly impact your mental state. By focusing on what you are thankful for, you shift your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant. This doesn't mean ignoring your problems, but rather balancing your perspective. Try starting a gratitude journal where you write down a few things you are grateful for each day. Over time, this practice can shift your overall outlook on life. Mindfulness and meditation are also powerful tools. These practices help you stay present and aware of your thoughts and feelings without getting overwhelmed by them. By taking just a few minutes each day to meditate, you can develop a sense of inner peace and clarity. This calm state of mind makes it easier to handle the challenges that life throws your way. Setting goals and intentions can give you a sense of direction and purpose. When you know what you want to achieve, you can focus your energy on those areas, making it easier to navigate changes. Be specific about your goals, write them down, and break them into manageable steps. This structured approach can make even the most daunting changes seem achievable. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment is another way to maintain a positive mental state. Whether it's a hobby, exercise, or spending time with loved ones, these activities can recharge your spirit and provide a sense of balance. Make time for these activities regularly and notice how they positively impact your mood and outlook. Taking care of your physical health is equally important. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Ensure you are eating nutritious foods, getting regular exercise, and sleeping well. These basic self-care practices can have a profound effect on your mental and emotional well-being. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that requires time, effort, and perseverance. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but these are all part of the journey. Keep reminding yourself of your progress, no matter how small, and stay committed to your growth. Cleaning your mental state is not about achieving perfection, but about creating a healthier, more positive mindset that supports your overall well-being. By implementing these practices, you can start to see significant changes in your life. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards a better you. So start today and watch how these simple words can lead to profound changes in your life. One of the most empowering actions you can take is to question your limiting beliefs. These are the thoughts and assumptions that hold you back from reaching your full potential. Often we accept these beliefs without challenging them. Ask yourself, is this belief serving me? Is it based on fact or fear? By examining these beliefs critically, you can start to dismantle the barriers they create. Cultivating a mindset of continuous learning can also aid in maintaining a healthy mental state. Every experience, whether positive or negative, offers a lesson. Approach life with curiosity and a willingness to learn. This perspective can transform challenges into opportunities for growth, making it easier to navigate the ups and downs of life. Visualization is another powerful tool. By imagining your goals and desires as already achieved, you create a mental picture that guides your actions and decisions. This practice helps to align your subconscious mind with your conscious efforts, making it easier to manifest your dreams. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your ideal life, focusing on the feelings of joy and accomplishment that come with it. Connecting with nature can have a calming and grounding effect on your mental state, whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting by a body of water. Nature has a way of soothing the mind and spirit. Make it a habit to spend time outdoors regularly and notice how it helps you feel more centered and at peace. Another beneficial practice is journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can provide clarity and insight. It allows you to process your emotions and track your progress over time. Use your journal as a safe space to express yourself freely and honestly, and you may find that it becomes a valuable tool for self-discovery and growth. Building and maintaining strong relationships is crucial for mental well-being. Surround yourself with supportive, positive people who uplift and inspire you. Make an effort to nurture these relationships by spending quality time with loved ones, showing appreciation, and offering support in return. Healthy relationships provide a sense of belonging and can significantly enhance your overall happiness. Practicing forgiveness is another way to clean your mental state. Holding on to grudges and resentment only weighs you down and prevents you from moving forward. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning hurtful behavior. It means releasing the hold that anger and bitterness have over you. By forgiving others and yourself, you free up emotional space for more positive experiences. Finding a sense of purpose is essential for a fulfilling life. Reflect on what truly matters to you and what you want to contribute to the world. This sense of purpose can guide your actions and decisions, providing motivation and direction. Whether it's through your work, hobbies, or relationships, having a clear sense of purpose can bring meaning and satisfaction to your life. Engaging in creative activities can also enhance your mental state. Creativity allows you to express yourself, explore new ideas, and solve problems in innovative ways. Whether it's painting, writing, dancing, or any other form of artistic expression, making time for creative pursuits can bring joy and fulfillment. Being kind to others not only benefits them, but also boosts your own mental well-being. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, create a positive ripple effect. Volunteering, helping a neighbor, or simply offering a kind word can make a significant difference. These actions foster a sense of connection and contribute to a more positive outlook on life. Adopting a flexible mindset can help you navigate life's uncertainties. Life is unpredictable, and being able to adapt to changing circumstances is crucial. Accept change as a natural part of life and approach it with an open mind. This flexibility allows you to handle challenges more effectively and find new opportunities in unexpected situations. Practicing mindfulness can improve your mental state by keeping you grounded in the present moment. Mindfulness involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. This practice can reduce stress, enhance self-awareness, and promote emotional balance. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine through activities such as meditation, deep breathing, or mindful walking. Setting healthy boundaries is vital for maintaining mental health. Boundaries protect your energy and ensure that you are not overwhelmed by external demands. Learn to say no when necessary and prioritize your well-being. Communicate your needs clearly and respectfully, and don't feel guilty for putting yourself first when needed. Developing a positive self-image is crucial for a healthy mental state. How you view yourself affects every aspect of your life. Focus on your strengths, celebrate your achievements, and be gentle with yourself during setbacks. Building self-confidence takes time, but by consistently affirming your worth and capabilities, you can cultivate a more positive self-image. Lastly, find joy in the little things. Life is made up of small moments, and finding happiness in everyday experiences can greatly enhance your overall well-being. Whether it's enjoying a cup of coffee, watching a beautiful sunset, or spending time with a loved one, savor these moments and let them bring you joy. Cleaning your mental state involves a series of small, consistent actions that collectively create a more positive and fulfilling life. By implementing these practices, you can cultivate a mindset that supports your well-being and happiness. Keep moving forward with hope and determination, and watch as these simple words bring about profound changes in your life.
Cleaning your mental state is a powerful step toward a happier, more fulfilling life. Start with small changes in your thoughts and words, and see how they ripple out to transform your experiences. Take control, practice positivity, and watch how life starts to feel lighter and more joyful. If these insights resonated, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share this video with others who might benefit. Let's spread positivity and make a difference together. Thanks for watching.